Alright guys, so in today's video we will be reviewing the Gerber flatiron. So, here's the front, and then here's the back. This is the version 2. You can tell because of the logo. It's right here and not right there. And then it's got different over travel stop. So let's go, and it's got, this one is the Coyote tan, I think. And it's got the G10 handle. So yeah. So the full length opened is 8.5 inches. The blade length is 3.8 inches. The steel blade is 7CR17 MOV. So budget steel. Not the best, but it's good for the price. It is a cleaver style blade and a stonewash finish. On the website they say it's satin finish, but it is a stonewash finish. You can kind of see that. It has a thumb hole right there for one hand opening. And then it has a G10 composite handle scales. So you can see that, and then it is a frame lock, and it has a pocket clip. It's kind of like a chunky pocket clip, but it's really tight, so hoping it'll work. It's got the Gerber right there, Gerber logo right there, and that's all the specs on it. Since it is a cleaver style blade, the blade does, it's a really thick blade, by the way, since it's a cleaver style, but the blade sticks out quite a bit. But overall, I have really small hands, and this knife is huge. See if I can even get it in frame. There it is. So it is a very big knife. It has that oversized thumb choil that you can put your hand in if you need to choke up, and you've still got plenty of room for like another hand if you really needed to for some reason. Kind of wish they would have done G10 on both sides, but it is an addition that at least they made the stainless steel component stonewash, not just the blade. And obviously it doesn't say made in Portland, so that means it's made in China, which is okay. $30 knife. I got this off Cabela's for $35. I think it's on Blade HQ, I think it's like 30, 33, something like that. So yeah. Once it's straight out of the box. I just took it out of the box. So I bet once it gets some breaking into it, I bet you can flip it. But right now, it's not really broken much. But once you get it broken a little bit, I bet you can flip it pretty easy. Go ahead. See if I can see the grinds on that. Pretty sure it's a hollow grind. It's not completely even. I don't know if that's purposely. But yeah, it doesn't have hardly any play. It's kind of got like a tad bit of play from going up and down, side to side, no play. It feels like it has a little bit. Not enough to bug me though. Look at the centering. Almost spot on. Maybe a little bit off. For the spacer, it's just got stainless steel inlines, I think. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, overall, great knife. It's really big. So overall, the Gerber flatiron is a great knife. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and please comment down below if any questions, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.